It's the state-of-the-art technology. You really have to fly it to believe it. It has more enhanced avionics suite and also more powerful engine which can make us fly over the Himalayan ranges and address both eastern and western adversaries, and it can also fly in sub-zero temperatures in any weather conditions, so that we are not limited by any of these conditions to keep an eye on our adversaries.
Heron Mark2 is a very capable drone. This is capable of longer endurance and beyond line of sight capability. With this, entire country can be surveilled from the same place. Also, longer endurance will ensure that multiple missions can be flown and multiple sectors can be addressed from in one mission itself. And it seamlessly amalgamates into the entire ISR matrix of, that is intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance matrix of Indian Air Force.
And sir, strengths of this drone and how it is going to strengthen our capabilities.
As I've covered, that this drone can remain airborne for longer time. So it gives 24/7 surveillance of any targets. It covers the entire spectrum. An enemy can be picked up in visual as well as non-visual spectrum. Also, modern avionics suites and enhanced avionics and engine ensure that operation ceiling of the aircraft has been increased. Additionally, in any weather and any terrain, this can address the target and complete its missions.
And sir, you said it covers both the adversaries, borders with adversary at the western front as well as the eastern front?
Very rightly said. Flying from here, it can address both the adversary